Hey kids! Do you want to learn English in a fun and exciting way? Join us today on an adventure with our friends, Billy and Sarah, as they explore the magical world of English. Story, 7 minutes. Scene 1. Billy and Sarah are in their bedroom. Billy, Sarah, I'm so bored. There's nothing to do. Sarah, I know, right? I wish we could go on an adventure. Suddenly, a magic book appears. Billy, wow, what's that? Sarah, it's a magic book. Let's open it. They open the book and a portal appears. Billy, incredible. Let's go. They step through the portal and find themselves in a forest. Scene 2. Billy and Sarah are in the forest. Narrator. Billy and Sarah were amazed by the forest. They saw all sorts of animals and plants. Billy, look, Sarah, a squirrel. Sarah, and there's a deer. Billy, and a rabbit. They continue walking and come across a river. Sarah, oh no. How are we going to get across the river? Billy, I don't know. Maybe we can swim? Sarah, I can't swim. Billy, me neither. Suddenly, a frog appears. Frog, ribbit. I can help you cross the river. Billy, thank you, Mr. Frog. Frog, you're welcome. Just hop on my back. Billy and Sarah hop on the frog's back, and he swims them across the river. Scene 3. Billy and Sarah are in a meadow. Narrator. Billy and Sarah thanked the frog and continued on their journey. They soon came to a meadow. Sarah, look, Billy. A flower. Billy, and there's another one. Sarah, and another one. They continue walking and come across a beehive. Billy, oh no. Bees. Sarah, run. They run away from the bees and into a cave. Scene 4. Billy and Sarah are in a cave. Narrator. Billy and Sarah were scared in the cave. They didn't know what to do. Billy, I'm scared. Sarah, me too. Suddenly, a bat appears. Bat, squeak. I can help you find your way out of the cave. Billy, thank you, Mr. Bat. Bat, you're welcome. Just follow me. The bat leads Billy and Sarah out of the cave. Scene 5. Billy and Sarah are back in their bedroom. Narrator. Billy and Sarah were so happy to be back in their bedroom. They had learned a lot on their adventure. Billy, that was so much fun. Sarah, I know. I can't wait to go on another adventure. They close the magic book and it disappears. Word analysis, 3 minutes. Narrator. Now, let's review some of the new words we learned today. Adventure, an exciting or unusual experience. Forest, a large area of land covered with trees. Animal, a living thing that is not a plant. Plant, a living thing that grows in the ground. River, a large natural stream of water. Meadow, an area of land covered with grass and flowers. Cave, a large hole in the ground. Bat, a small flying animal that is active at night. Pronunciation. Narrator. Let's practice pronouncing some of these words. Adventure/devend tr/ forest/fr.is/ animal/ain.ml/ plant/plnt/ river/riv.r/ meadow/me.d/ cave/keeve/ bat/bait/. Conclusion, 30 seconds. Narrator. I hope you enjoyed learning English with Billy and Sarah. Remember, the more you practice, the better you'll become at speaking and understanding English. See you next time.